It was important to go to the site for this diorama because the original painting was not very descriptive. It was a little confusing. The color made it hard to tell what time of day it was or what season. It also didn't get a great sense of scale. What surprised me was that we were able to find the exact site, and I was able to see that the actual design of it, the drawing underneath, was accurate. But going there also allowed me to know what was not quite so accurate and what details were missing, and the exact scope of the landscape, the distances involved. What this view gives us is a sense of what that place was like before they put in the road and put in the platform. In this one, the challenge was I could actually get in and get access to the entire wall, which is usually not a challenge, but the problem was there's just a narrow little space back there. So I was always within inches of the wall, which is a little difficult. Artists tend to like to be able to step back and see their work from a distance. So physically this was challenging, but probably the most challenging one was the opposite in the beaver diorama, where there was no way to walk up to the wall. I had to go out on a gangplank that was attached to the end of a forklift. That was challenging because it meant every time I wanted to move, I had to get the driver to come and move the lift for me. The challenge with this hall was that the dioramas were being saved because they are so important to the museum and popular and well-known, well-loved. So we didn't want to make any drastic changes. We just wanted to kind of freshen them up. For the most part, I tried to leave any major elements that were in the original painting or still in the redos. And like in this case, going to the site let us know that everything was in its right place, so I didn't move any hills or rocks or anything like that. In many cases, I actually left portions of the original painting totally untouched, and so I've painted around areas and left things in place.